Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and today we're going to do our mini Mondays. I have $50 in ones. And then we have, let's see, 8 challenges today. And I think we're going to use a 3-sided die to tell us how many bills each envelope is going to get today. And then I have my buyback cash over here. All right, so we ended off at number 4, so we're going to start at number 5 today. How is everybody doing? It is a 2. I think I need to put this over here. Sorry, my apologies. Okay. And that was a 3 for number 7. I hope everybody had a good weekend. We are filming this a little bit late, but that is okay. I'm hoping that I can finish a couple of these today. Don't have too much going on at the moment. Just been trying to work on some orders. And I am very happy to have the orders to work on. So I appreciate everybody who has placed an order with my Etsy. These little dice towers are actually pretty popular. I was very surprised. So I've been just printing away. I have $2 left. See, and it goes to number 3. So we're going to just move our paperclip to number 4. And then we'll get started on seeing what everybody got. All right, and we're going to start off with, yeah, we'll keep those. Challenge number 1, it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, this one is from Norella's Budgets, so we can go ahead and I wanted to just make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we actually are going to finish that one. Awesome. So this dollar is off to the side. So this one should have saved us 16. No, 20. Yeah, 5, 10. So we have 10, 15, and 20. Fantastic. We'll set that off to the side. And we'll choose a new one after we get done. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 for challenge number 2. All right, so this one is I'm doing a 30 envelope challenge. So this is my little helper. I have these on my Etsy. So we're saving for envelope number 21. So let's see what we have. I think we might actually have it. We might have more than we need. So we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we only needed the 21. So we'll take these 4 and set those off to the side with that one. So I'm going to put that over there. We're going to put in a new one of those. And this kind of works out because I was thinking about going back down to 8 challenges. Just because we may not have as much money to play with here in the near future. All right, so this challenge is from Buttercup Budgets. So this is challenge number 3. It got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 2, 4, and 5. And so far, this one has saved us 10 and 15. And then if I have another challenge that is almost done, that's what we'll use that 5 for. All right, challenge number 4 is going to be our envelope number 20, and it got $4. So let's see where we are at with this one. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So that one is almost done. I will probably take $3 from there. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. 18, 19, and 20. That way our 20 envelope can be done as well. That's fantastic. I've just been working on those smaller envelope or the bigger envelopes, smaller little bits at a time, so that way it doesn't seem so daunting in a way. I wanted to do the 30 envelope challenge first before I started the 50 or the 52 week challenge. So this one here is from Budget with Amanda. It got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and $8. Awesome. So we'll go ahead and we'll knock out these 3s first. Six and 2 is 8. And I do believe I got this off of her coffee shop. So altogether, so far, this one has saved us 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and $14. Awesome. All right, and we have challenge number 6. This one is from Boss Babe Budgets. And this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, and all together, let me hold on before we get a little mix up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Looks like we just need 5 more to finish this one out. And this one has saved us 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Perfect. Oh, no more 10s. Okay. Perfect. All right. So that one just needs $5 more. And then challenge number 7. Because I feel like if I do 6 challenges, I will be able to get them done a little bit faster. Obviously. Because so the money will go a little bit further. So this one is from Divine Savings Co. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Fantastic. We have 2, 4, 6, and I'm going to take another to make that 8. So far, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. All right, we have no more buyback money. We have 1 more envelope. All right, and challenge number 8. This is a new one. It is with Budgeting with Lisa. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's see. Should we do $1 or $2? That is the question. I think we're going to do each for $2. Let me mark that on here so I don't forget. So I added that extra $1. So we have 8 now. So we can cross off 2, 4, 6, and 8. Perfect. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 challenges. Nope, okay. So yes, I think I am going to keep 6 challenges in, but I do need to replace 1. So let's go ahead and do this one. It is from Budget with Carly. I just got it in my Happy Mail. It is a save $30. And we'll go ahead and reorganize those off camera. And we'll go ahead and we're gonna paper clip this guy, and we're gonna put him in with our other other completed savings challenges. We're going to put our dollar in because I don't do $1 for every single challenge that I finish. I just do for each day that I finish savings challenges. Just because it was beginning to be a little too much. But that's just a little bit of extra savings. This one is going to go in our... I'm going to need a new envelope to put these in. Because I normally don't... I used to not save them till the end of the month. I would just do them at the end of like the pay period. So that's going to be fun and exciting to see how much I really got done in a month. All right, so this is my 30 envelope or 30-day savings challenge, 30 envelope, whichever you want to call it. I created this, but I never did anything with it on Etsy. So we have envelope 21 and envelope 20. So we'll go ahead and color those in. And now we're on like the home stretch of numbers under 20. So we'll just go ahead and flip to 21, and then I will go 10, 20. Okay. So I might have 7 because I forgot I do need to put in a 19 for that one in my, and then envelope number 20, we will put our 2 10s in. I'm probably swap that out for a 20. Actually, yes, I think I do have 20, so we're gonna condense that a little bit. My apologies, guys, I'm sorry. Let me get the 20s really quick. All right, perfect. I have 2. That is fantastic. So we have 21. Oh my goodness, I cannot. There we go. And then a 20. Sorry about my struggles, but yes, we have. And then at the end, we have 2 bonuses. I haven't figured out what I wanted to do for the bonuses just yet, but. All right, and that will take care of our Monday savings challenges. So I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.